Think about the titans of industry. Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Bill Gates. What do they all have in common? Drive, ambition, sure, but there's something more. A hidden advantage they've tapped into. It's called the theta state. This isn't about mystical powers, it's about brain waves. Specifically theta waves. The brain waves of deep relaxation, creativity, and wealth creation. Yes, you read that right. This video will reveal the science behind theta waves and how you can use them to unlock your own potential. Get ready to activate your inner billionaire. Our brains are electric. They hum with activity, generating waves of electrical impulses. Different waves correspond to different states. When we're stressed or hyper-focused, our brains fire off beta waves. Relaxed, that's alpha. Theta waves, however, are special. They appear when we're deeply relaxed, in that dreamy state between sleep and wakefulness. This is where the magic happens. Theta is the gateway to your subconscious, the seat of creativity, inspiration, and yes, even wealth attraction. But here's the catch. Most of us don't spend nearly enough time in theta. We're too busy, too stressed, too plugged in. The good news? We can train our brains to access theta on demand. This isn't some new age theory. Columbia University researchers have studied theta waves and their impact on creativity. Their findings? Increased theta activity correlates with enhanced creative problem solving and innovative thinking, essential skills for any aspiring entrepreneur or innovator. Think about it, those aha moments, those flashes of genius, they often strike when we're relaxed in the shower or drifting off to sleep. That's theta at work. Now imagine being able to access that state deliberately at will. So how does this translate to wealth? It's simple. Theta waves unlock the creative potential within you. They allow you to see opportunities others miss, to connect seemingly disparate ideas, and to develop innovative solutions that attract wealth and abundance. When you're in theta, you tap into a flow state where ideas flow effortlessly and solutions appear as if by magic. This isn't about manifesting money, it's about unlocking the full potential of your mind, the ultimate wealth-building tool. Unlocking your billionaire brain, a step-by-step guide. Imagine having the mental clarity, focus, and drive of a billionaire. It's not just a dream, it's a reality you can achieve with the right techniques, ready to activate your inner billionaire. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to harness the power of your mind and unlock your full potential. Find your sound. The right audio track can guide your brain into a state of heightened creativity and relaxation. Theta wave audio tracks use specific frequencies to guide your brain into the theta state, associated with deep relaxation and mental clarity. Create a sanctuary. Your environment plays a crucial role in your ability to focus and relax. Find a quiet space, dim the lights, and get comfortable. This is your personal sanctuary. Silence your phone and any other distractions. Consistency is key. Listen daily. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes each day to your theta track. Visualize success. Picture yourself achieving your goals with vivid detail. Visualization helps you stay focused and motivated. Incorporate this practice into your daily routine to unlock your full potential and achieve the success you've always dreamed of. Meet Sarah, from skeptic to real estate mogul. Sarah, a single mother, was skeptical. Brainwaves, wealth attraction, it all seemed like a far-fetched dream. It sounded too good to be true. She had heard of many quick-fix solutions that promised the world but delivered nothing, but desperate times call for open minds. Sarah decided to give it a try. She started listening to theta wave tracks during her commute. Within weeks, Sarah noticed a shift. Her mindset transformed. She felt calmer, more focused. Then came the ideas. One day, she had a flash of inspiration, a unique real estate solution. Fast forward 2 years and Sarah is now a successful entrepreneur. Theta waves didn't magically deposit money into her account. They unlocked the creativity and clarity she needed to seize opportunities. Today, Sarah enjoys financial stability and helps others find their dream homes. She now mentors aspiring entrepreneurs, sharing her journey and lessons learned.
John, trapped in a dead-end corporate job, felt his entrepreneurial spirit dying. Every day felt like a monotonous cycle, draining his energy and creativity. He dreamed of launching his own tech startup but lacked the spark, His mind was filled with ideas, but the daily grind left him too exhausted to pursue them.
Enter theta waves. These brain waves associated with creativity and relaxation promised a way to unlock his potential. Intrigued by the science, John started incorporating theta sessions into his daily routine. The results were profound. He felt a sense of calm and clarity that he hadn't experienced in years. John's mind felt sharper, his creativity reignited. Ideas that once seemed out of reach now flowed effortlessly.
One idea, a revolutionary app concept, stood out. It was a solution to a problem he had long recognized but never had the clarity to address. Fueled by his newfound clarity and drive, John took the leap. He handed in his resignation, leaving behind the corporate world that had stifled his creativity for so long. Today, his app is revolutionizing the industry, his company valued in the millions. Investors are eager to be part of his journey, and his team is passionate and driven.
Theta waves didn't do the coding for him. They unlocked the genius within, allowing him to manifest his entrepreneurial dreams. John's journey from a corporate cub to a tech visionary is a testament to the power of unlocking one's true potential. These are just two stories among countless others. People from all walks of life are discovering the transformative power of theta waves. From artists experiencing a surge in creative inspiration to entrepreneurs developing groundbreaking business ideas, the potential is limitless. Theta waves aren't a magic bullet. They won't make you rich overnight, but they will unlock the most powerful wealth-building tool you possess, your mind. We live in a world obsessed with hustle culture, with pushing ourselves to the brink. But what if the key to success isn't about working harder, but about tapping into a different state of being? What if the most powerful innovations, the most brilliant business ideas are born not out of stress and pressure, but out of deep relaxation and clarity? The theta state is available to all of us. It's a natural state of being. The question is, are you willing to unlock its potential? The world is changing faster than ever. Those who thrive in this new landscape won't be the ones who outwork, but the ones who outthink, out-innovate, and out-create. Theta waves are not a luxury. They are a necessity for anyone who wants to unlock their full potential, achieve financial freedom, and leave their mark on the world. Your inner billionaire is waiting. Are you ready to set it free?